Deep inside a massive mining operation, the air is still for a moment, and then it breaks. A deep engine roar echoes across the pit. Dust begins to rise from the ground. Steel tracks slowly bite into the earth, and out of the haze emerges one of the most powerful earth-moving machines ever built. This is the Caterpillar D9T, a heavy... duty mining bulldozer designed for extreme pushing, grading, and ramp construction in some of the toughest working conditions on Earth. Today, the mission is clear: open a new mining ramp that will connect different levels of the pit and allow haul trucks to move safely and efficiently across the site. And at the controls is an experienced operator who knows this machine inside out. As the aerial view reveals the scale of the operation, the mine stretches far into the distance. Massive benches cut through the landscape. Haul trucks move material continuously. Excavators load rock and overburden in the background. But the main focus today is the Cat D9T. The bulldozer moves into position, blade lowered close to the ground. Every part of the machine is built for strength and control, from its reinforced frame to its heavy steel tracks designed for maximum traction on loose and uneven terrain. This is not a machine for speed, it is built for force. The first push begins. The blade makes contact with the soil, and a large volume of earth starts moving forward in a controlled wave. The machine does not dig like an excavator. Instead, it pushes and reshapes the terrain, gradually forming the base of a new ramp. The engine load increases as resistance builds. The operator carefully manages blade height and angle, ensuring the material flows smoothly without losing traction. Small adjustments in direction keep the machine aligned with the intended ramp path. From above, the transformation is clear. What was once uneven ground is slowly becoming a structured haul road carved directly into the hillside. In mining operations, this process is critical. These ramps are not just paths, they are essential transport routes that allow heavy haul trucks to move material safely between different levels of the mine. Without properly built ramps, production would slow down. Immediately. Push after push, the D9T continues shaping the ground. Each pass moves thousands of kilograms of soil and rock, gradually forming a stable gradient suitable for heavy equipment traffic. The power of the machine is not in speed, but in controlled force and continuous productivity. As the bulldozer works deeper into the cut, the operator adjusts the blade for different material conditions. Softer soil flows easily, while compacted sections require increased engine load and slower, more controlled pushing. This balance between machine power and operator skill is what makes the operation efficient. Modern Caterpillar bulldozers like the D9T are engineered for this exact type of work. They're Powertrain system combined with heavy undercarriage design allows the machine to maintain traction even under high resistance loads. The result is smooth, continuous pushing without interruption. As the ramp begins to take shape, finishing passes are made. Instead of heavy pushing, the blade now glides across the surface, leveling uneven areas and refining the road profile. This stage is just as important as excavation itself. A properly graded ramp ensures safe travel for heavy haul trucks, reduces tire wear, and improves overall site efficiency. From the aerial view, the difference is striking. A once rough and broken surface is now turning into a structured mining road carved directly into the hillside. The machine continues working steadily, maintaining precision with every movement. Even in harsh dust conditions and uneven terrain, the D9T remains stable and controlled. Inside the cab, the operator has full visibility of the blade and working area. Ergonomic controls and a well-designed operator station help maintain focus during long shifts in demanding environments. In mining, concentration and timing are critical. Every movement must be deliberate, especially when working near steep slopes or active haul routes. As the ramp extends further, support vehicles and haul trucks begin preparing to use the newly created path. This is how entire mining operations depend on bulldozers. They create the infrastructure that keeps everything moving. Excavators extract material, haul trucks transport it, but bulldozers like the D9T prepare the entire working system by building access and maintaining ground conditions. Without them, large-scale mining would not function efficiently. The Cat D9T continues pushing through the final section of the ramp. The surface becomes smoother, the gradient more consistent and the path more defined. Each pass represents careful engineering in motion, not just raw power, but controlled land shaping on a massive scale. As the daylight slowly fades over the mining site, the newly formed ramp stretches across the terrain, a clear result of precision earth-moving and powerful machinery working together. The D9T slows down, completing its final pass for the day. Dust settles across the mine as the engine noise fades into the distance. Another productive shift ends in the world of heavy equipment operations, where machines like the Caterpillar D9T quietly reshape the land, one push at a time. If you enjoyed this heavy machinery documentary, make sure to subscribe for more real mining action, powerful bulldozers, giant excavators, and extreme 4K earth-moving footage from around the world. And tell us in the comments, would you prefer to operate the Cat D9T bulldozer or work on a giant mining haul truck? Thanks for watching.